Hello, APSC PYQA Part D, year 2008, question number 78 to 100, paper 1, general studies. Swagatam. Question number 78. The largest population of seeded tribes in India is in the state of A. Bihar, B. Maharashtra, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Odisha. The correct answer is C. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 79. What is the full form of RAM in the computer? A. Random access memory. B. Readily available memory. C. Ready at a time memory. D. Ready to access memory. The correct answer is A. Random access memory. Question number 81. Nautical mile is equal to A. 1.5 kilometer, B 1.85 kilometer, C 2 kilometer, D 2.5 kilometer. The correct answer is B 1.85 kilometer. Question number 81. Who wrote the famous book Long Walk to Freedom? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, C. Nelson Mandela, D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is C. Nelson Mandela. Question number 82. The oldest oil field in India is located in F. Paradip, B. Haldia, C. Digboy, D. Bombay High. The correct answer is C. Digboy. Question number 83. China acknowledged Sikkim as an integral part of India during the prime ministerial tenure of A. Dr. Manmohan Singh, B. Dr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, C. Rajiv Gandhi, D. Chandrasekhar. The correct answer is B. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Question number 84. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? A. Bon Rhine, B. Cerro Nile, C. New York Hudson, D. Vena Volga. The correct answer is D. Vena Volga. Question number 85. After the last assembly election 2006, DMK President Mathuvil Karunanidhi became the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu a third time, B fourth time, C fifth time, D sixth time. The correct answer is C fifth time. Question number 86. Which of the following is the first state to have been formed on the linguistic basis? A. Gujarat, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Punjab, D. Karnataka. The correct answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 87. Eco mark is given to the Indian products that are A. Pure and unadulterated, B. Rich and protein, C. Environment friendly, D. Economically viable. The correct answer is C. Environment friendly. Question number 88. Which two cities of India are connected by the National Highway number 1? A. Delhi and Amritsar via Ambala and Jalandhar, B. Delhi and Mumbai via Jaipur, Ahmedabad and Vadodara, C. Agra and Bikaner via Jaipur, D. Chandigarh and Manali via Bijapur, Mandi and Kullu. The correct answer is A. Delhi and Amritsar via Ambala and Jalandhar. Question number 89. Match the following. F. Fiat, B. Ambassador, D. Maruti, C. Maruti, D. Hyundai. 1. Gurgaon, 2. Mumbai, 3. Noida, D. Kolkata. Option A, A3, B2, C1, D4. Option B, A2, B4, C1, D3. Option C, A2, B4, C3, D1. Option D, A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is B, A2, B4, C1, D3. Question number 90. On which date the prestigious Nobel Prize is awarded? Option A, November 30, B, December 10, C, January 70, D, January 21. The correct answer is B, December 10. Question number 91. The country which had the first official family planning program was A. South Africa, B. India, C. China, D. USA. The correct answer is B. India. The question number 92. Simon Commission of 1927 was boycotted because A. There was no Indian member in the commission, B. It supported the Muslim League, C. Congress felt that the people of India were entitled to Swaraj, D. There were differences among the members. The correct answer is A. There was no Indian member in the commission. Question number 93. Who presides over the joint sitting of both the houses of parliament? A. President of India, B. Vice President of India, C. Speaker of Lok Sabha, D. Chief Justice of India. The correct answer is C. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question number 94. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? A. President of India, B. Leader of ruling party, C. Vice President of India, D. The Speaker of Lok Sabha. The correct answer is C. Vice President of India. Question number 95. In the absence of the Chief Justice of the High Court, the oath of the office of the governor is administered by A. Senior most judge of the High Court, B. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, C. Senior judge of the Supreme Court, D. President of India. The correct answer is A. Senior most judges of the High Court. Question number 96. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress from the following? A. Annie Besant, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, D. Aruna Asaf Ali. The correct answer is A. Annie Besant. Question number 97. Who among the following attended all the three round table conferences? Jawaharlal Nehru, B. B. R. Ambedkar, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Madan Mohan Malaviya. The correct answer is B. B. R. Ambedkar. Question number 98. Mahatma Gandhi was called father of the nation first by A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. B. R. Ambedkar, C. Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 99. Vande Mataram was composed by Ravindra Rabindranath Tagore, B. Bhupen Hazarika, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The correct answer is D. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 100. Who among the following was an extremist turned spiritual leader? A. Vinoba Bhave, B. M.N. Roy, C. Aurobindo Ghosh, D. Swami Vivekananda. The correct answer is C. Aurobindo Ghosh. Thank you for watching my video.